Hi y'all, just a couple of little videos we've sandwiched together. One of them is repairing our RV where the awning attaches to it, and the other one is hubby working on making his own power cord for our contractors to use out here on the homestead during construction. So I hope that they're helpful for you and that you enjoy them.
Ordered some 8x8 by 1/4 inch aluminum plate, and I just took a file and kind of deburred the edges of it and made it smooth because our little RV is kind of coming apart right here where one of the awning mounts up the wall. So I'm going to take this loose, slide this down behind it, and mount it in place with a couple of lag screws here, and then there's 2 lag screws here that go through the mounting bracket there, and that'll just give it a lot more stability, a lot more something to push against than what you have right there. I'm going to make a template out of a piece of copy paper. And then we'll locate where we want our hose on here, lay it on there, and then take a center punch and mark them on the metal. So my able assistant is now going to cut this for me with her kitchen scissors.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, and that's where we'll drill our 4 holes. And whoever put this thing on originally did a real sloppy job. Screws, bike bolts to put it on with.
Awning was put on aftermarket and it wasn't done very well. They used different size screws, as well as when the holes were too large, they stuffed sticks and material to try to close the hole a little bit more. David is working to clean that all out so he'll have a good surface to attach that plate to and reinforce it and do the job right. In the template he made to mark the holes. Problem.
Well, the stud is right here, and these screws aren't going to hit anything. Here's where the screws came through from the outside when they previously tried to install this thing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a 2x6 piece of dead wood here, and then that'll give us something to run the screws into. Use 100% pure silicone clear caulking to plug the old holes that were made, and then also to put on the back side of our new plate to seal it up against the wall.
Hi y'all, today hubby is building a power cord that will be used by the construction workers when they're out here on our property. So let me show you some of the components of it and he'll tell you what he's doing. Long cord that stretches all the way from our power pole over to the foundation.
Cord will go into this electrical box, which in turn will have a couple of receptacles in it like that with a weatherproof cover, and then these are hooked to a 20 amp circuit at our power pole, and that'll give them some construction power to run their power tools with.
See that there are different colors there in that those wires. Why are they different colors?
That's just the way electricity works. The black one is a hot, the white one is a neutral, and the bare one is a ground.
Okay, and where do those go in that little box?
Well, the hot one goes on the darker colored tabs, the neutral goes on the lighter colored tabs, and the ground goes on those green screws right there. There's the finished product.
Hey y'all, I'm doing a walk around of the JRC Homestead today. It's spring in the Texas Hill Country. The birds are singing, the flowers are waving in a gentle breeze, and I have some shots of some of the wildflowers we have on our property. Come along, let's enjoy the walk together.